Okay, let's do this question. The electric motor turns a flywheel through a driver blade that joins a pulley on the motor and a pulley that is rigidly attached to the flywheel as shown in the figure. Okay, so this is a flywheel. This one is our flywheel. This has a radius capital R, that is 0.5 meter. It turns on a frictionless axle. So there is an axle here and it is turning on that. Now there is a pulley which has a smaller mass and radius R. So this is the small radius R. So this is another disc here. Okay, the tension ETU in the upper. So this is the tension TU. Okay, in the upper segment of the belt is 400 Newton, and the flywheel has a clockwise angular acceleration of 2 radian per second square. So angular acceleration alpha is 2 radian per second square. The tension in the lower string. So this is the tension in the lower string, this is the tension in the upper string. Now we can find out the torque, right? We can find out the torque like this. Okay, so this is R distance, correct? So TU into R, TU into R, that is TU into R, and this is the torque like this. So we are taking it positive, and the torque because of TL is like this, so we will take it as negative. So this is minus TL into R. So this is the torque, right? So this torque is TU minus TL into R. Now this torque must be equal to I times alpha. This torque must be equal to moment of inertia times angular acceleration. So TU minus TL into R is I alpha. So here, how will you find out TL? So moment of inertia of the disc is how much? It is mr square by 2. Mr square by 2 into alpha. Alpha is already given, that is 2 radian per second square. So this is 2 divided by 2. What is the mass of the disc? Mass of the disc is 80 kg and radius is 0.5 meter. So 80 into 1 by 4, because 0.5 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So you will get this. So TU is given already, that is 400 minus TL into small r. What is small r? Small r is 0.2. So this is 0.2. So these 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is 20. So this will become 400 minus TL is equal to 20 divided by 0.2. Now this will become 100. So 400 minus TL is 100. So TL is equal to 400 minus 100. So this one will become 300 Newton. So the correct option for this is 300 Newton. The tension in the lower string is 300 Newton.